Clinical Data Management, Chapter 7, Query Management. Introduction. Query management is an important process in clinical data management that ensures all data collected during a clinical study are complete, accurate, and consistent. Whenever information in a patient record is missing, unclear, or appears incorrect, a query is created to clarify the issue before the database is finalized. Why query management is needed? Clinical trial data come from many hospitals, laboratories, and research centers. Sometimes values may not match, dates may be incorrect, or important information may be missing. Query management helps identify these problems early and ensures that the final study results are based on reliable and high-quality data. How a query is generated. A query can be generated automatically by the electronic data capture system when predefined validation rules are violated. It can also be created manually by a clinical data manager after reviewing the patient data. Every query clearly explains the issue and requests clarification from the research site. Query review by the research site. The investigator or study coordinator carefully reviews the query. They verify the information using the original medical records and provide the correct answer. If a mistake is found, the data are corrected. If the recorded information is accurate, an explanation is provided to justify the original entry. Data manager verification. After the response is received, the clinical data manager reviews it to ensure the explanation is complete and supported by the available records. If the response resolves the issue, the query is closed. If additional clarification is needed, a follow-up query may be sent to the research site. Types of queries. Common queries include missing data, inconsistent values, incorrect dates, laboratory results outside the expected range, medication details that do not match, adverse event information that is incomplete, and differences between related forms. Each query is documented and tracked until it is resolved. Benefits of effective query management. Good query management improves data quality, reduces errors, supports patient safety, and ensures compliance with regulatory requirements. It also helps statisticians and medical experts analyze trustworthy data, leading to accurate conclusions about the safety and effectiveness of the investigational treatment. Conclusion. Query management is the backbone of high-quality clinical data management. Every resolved query increases the accuracy, reliability, and credibility of a clinical study. A well-managed query process helps deliver dependable scientific evidence that can support the development of safe and effective medicines. Thank you for reading. Subscribe and follow Bioenigma X. GTESA for simple, unique, and detailed explanations on clinical research, biology, zoology, biotechnology, and medical science.